In this video, we are going to see how to add custom font to the Xcode. Now I am going to create a sample project. Going to name it as font sample. Now I am going to add the sample font file to the project. Mark it as copy files to destination and also check the target. In the inspector, name the copy the name of the file. Now second step, we are going to add a font to the info plist. Under the fonts provided by the application, we are going to add the font name. Now we are going to check in what name system uses our font. For that, we have to write couple of lines. Now I am going to run the project. Before that, we have to check whether our font is added in the bundle resource. For that, we have to select the target and build phases, and we have to check whether the file is added in the bundle resources. Now I am going to run the project. So in the debug area, we can see some of the names of the fonts. So here we are going to filter the font by typing robo. So we can see here our custom font is listed here. Now we are going to use the font to the UI label. For that, I am going to add a UI label to the design. I'm going to add constraint to the label. And give text as font sample. Now I'm going to create a variable for that label. Now I'm going to link that label. Now I'm going to assign the custom font to that label. Now I am going to run the project. Now we can see our custom font is applied to that UI label. That's it, friends. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.